Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about the second part of the polymorphism concepts, which we are talking about under OOP concepts. Yeah, in the previous video we have discussed about what is happening in method overloading. Now we are talking about the method overriding. Method overriding means methods inside the parent class, so we can uh, change that class from the inherited subclass. So I'll explain it in the code level example so you can get a good idea about what is happening in method overriding. So first of all we have to create a child class that is inherited from a parent class. I have created a sample class called child. It is inherited it from the parent class. So now let's try to um, override the print parent method. Here let's try to change the print message. Now let's try to create an object from the child class. Okay, now then let's try to check whether the overriding has been successful. Print parent. Okay, so we expect this method message should display in the console. Let's see. Okay, we are getting an error, so we have to remove this one. Yes, as you can see it's print this message, so it is override successfully the parent method. So yes, that's it about the method overriding. If you have any questions, reach me from the comment section. Thank you.